Uptown Swing level 2.
Tempo.
Madeline.
Peterlin.
So we did some like kick your butt stuff today. You guys did really well with this because this was about how to do it, not what to do. It was really doing stuff a little better. We talked about just basics, basic footwork. Rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. There's something clunky about the way I'm doing it. Those fast triple steps where they get chunky, we want to smooth them out. Rock, step, take your time. Rock, step, take your time. No rush, no twisting built into it. Really simple footwork and relaxed weight changes on the triple steps. We did that for a while. We worked on the tempo. Y'all did better with the tempo. Then we did 6-count stuff. We did Frankie 6s, and the main thing we wanted to be more of a line. So it wasn't just rock, step, in place, turning, again, getting out of that lifting the knees up, actually trying to change our weight. Rock, step, triple, triple. Leaders, remember, you make a big loop and you sneak. You really move, yeah? Followers, same thing. You got to think lines, not circles the whole time. It helps for fast dancing. When we're going fast in swing outs, we got down, and leaders, the big thing I really talked about is they get this side behind you for the end of the swing out, and it stays there at the beginning of the next one. 5, 6 is behind. It makes a big difference to make this thing happen, and we're not stopping on every triple step, keeping it smooth.
Followers, we went and worked on twists or swivels. We talked about how we want to take a step every time. We want our knees moving in the same direction. And then we talked about on 7, on 8, we do that prep so that we're all ready to swivel on 1, 2. If you want to practice that at home, we did a 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2. You can practice that over and over again.
Yeah, you guys rocked that actually. The swivels look really good. And then we just did some fast swing outs. We're gonna do them for you now. Hey, ha, get down. Can't do them up here. Life is hard. You get down a little bit. It ebbs and flows. And you hustle. That's it. Hey, ha, 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 ha.